Oh, it's me when I was young with my cousin. But now she has a child, but that is me before I cut off my hair. Going back to Hallelujah, just like keep back. Wowie, wowie. Once held her in my arms as a baby. Now she's the one holding mine. Yes, ako siya magbanta na yung anak because I'm her cousin. Uy, makahila. That time, katong wala pa ako nag-cut sa kong hair kay ano, like, nagkuhan-kuhanan yung biko kay niya, ano, niya naman siya nga. Kuan, I want to pick na Englishman. I wanted that, she said. He said, what is name of that food? I said, that's called biko. Biko. Like a rice. Rice with the sugar. Hindi ko ba sa English, dahil. Ako I wanted to be a child. Going back to Hallelujah, just like it back. Wowie, even mommy, wowie. Ano na ito? Basta na pa siya.
Alam mo ba, nagtatampo daw siya sa'yo? Si Jessica, kasi tinasan mo daw siya ng boses kapon.
Uy, hindi ako ganyan.
Realize ko lang, kaya siguro hindi tayo hinahayaan ni Lord.
Can't take my eyes off of you. Can't take my eyes off of you. I need you, baby. And if it's crap, can't take my eyes.
Hey, do you play video games? Yeah.
Mauro to ay pag-inuwi.